Hello everyone, welcome to the final part of my macro videos using legacy lenses. In this one we're going to look at a simple cheap option using reversing rings to get ultra macro. However, for this session I'm going to use a 49mm double threaded ring to mount a reversed lens onto an existing lens. This works just the same but can get you even closer. The two lenses combined cost £32 plus the small 49 to 49mm male adapter ring. This is all then mounted on my lens adapter which I already had. Let's show you some results, and please remember to subscribe, like the video and hit the bell if you'd like notifications for future videos. As before, I've shot a lobelia flower here so you can compare to the previous videos. Also, don't forget at the end I've also shot a ballpoint pen, the very tip, so you can compare those, and I'm going to show all three of those right at the very end. Here is the setup outside using the reverse lens, so that's an Olympus OM 50mm 1.8 on the 135 3.5. And here's the final shot. As you can see, there's an extremely limited depth of field because we are that much more closer in now, so you do have to bear that in mind and maybe even look at focus stacking. Talking of focus stacking, I did find this shield bug, so I grabbed a few shots of this based on going with a focus stacking option. Now, I'm not the best macro photographer in the world, but here's the final results, and you can see the sort of magnification you can get based on this shield bug. Finally, here is the shot of the ballpoint pen. So this is with the reversed lens, and coming up, just so you can compare, here's the Bellows. And here's the original one I shot on the extension tubes. So you can see there's a good difference between all three. I hope this series of 3 videos has helped you just with some really cheap options for macro. You don't have to spend hundreds of pounds if you want to get started in macro. If you've got some old legacy lenses around, or if you want to grab one for around about £10–20 off eBay or from a second-hand shop, then grab yourself an adapter and you've got some good kit to get started in macro. You may even want to keep what you've got rather than spending hundreds of pounds on a dedicated macro lens.